at that, everyone. So we got a bit of well done steak here, mate. Yeah, man, served up. This one here, people, yeah, is cool. Yes, people, you think of jokes, so we're outside right now. So we're getting a bit of beef, people, yeah. We're gonna get this one sliced up and ready for the grill. Yeah, man, 24-hour kitchen cooking with Vingo Vision. You know what time it is, we're there. Yes, people, you know, so we have to slice it up to go on the grill. See that, everyone? See that, everyone? Nice. Good vibes. So you see, it's a simple procedure right now. So it's scallion, yeah, thyme, ginger, scotch bonnet pepper. Yeah, man, are good vibes. Everyone, it's a simple procedure. Look at this. All right, we're gonna put this in the blender right now. Cause I was blending up some stuff earlier. So look, we'll just put that in the blender. Quick things. Wagwan people, you don't know Wagwan, but outside, we're there. Welcome to season 4, everybody. 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Vingo Vision. Yeah, man, the environment is beautiful. I got a corn on the cob on the fire right now, you know, people. But look Wagwan people today. Look Wagwan people, because it's a simple thing, you know, people. Yeah, man, it's a T-bone steak. It's a T-bone steak. I'll show you quickly. Yeah, man, the T-bone steak. This going up on the grill today, everyone, yeah. 24-hour kitchen. I just thought, what a lovely day in London. This is like the first best day I've had so far. And yeah, I'm gonna do a couple things today, but the first part of the day today, people, yeah, location, we're in the park, down by the Riverside. Yeah, man, it's amazing to be outside in the sunshine. Yeah, man, outside, oi. Yes, people, yeah, man, we're outside today, people, yeah, man, it's amazing to be outside. So right now in the wilderness, look, we have some things here, you know. So we've got some 24-hour kitchen seasoning, yeah, man, all-purpose mix there, onion there, all-purpose mix there, sweet potato there, corn there, rotted, and some garlic too. Look, we find some garlic there. Yeah, man, we outside, people. Look and see what I'm going at the Riverside, you know. Yeah, man, we're done by the Riverside, people. 24-hour kitchen. You don't know what time it is, people, yeah. It's good to be outside. How you mean? Let me say, it's good to be outside. Yeah, man, I'll show you down by the Riverside. Yeah. The good vibes. Nature said way as well, you know. See that, people? You can hear the kids them in the park playing. Alright. You know what this is? Yeah, man, this is a dandelion. Back in the day when you're growing up, you blow this one and make a wish. So we're going to do this one. I'm going to blow it, everyone, and you make a wish. So 1, 2, 3. I hope you guys made a wish, you know. Yeah, man, 24-hour kitchen cooking with Vingo Vision. Alright, I got good vibes. Later on in the program, we'll find the next dandelion. Look, we've got some stinging nettles outside. So, you know, say, well, when you're outside in certain parks and whatnot, yeah, man, stinging nettle there. Get involved with this one here, you know. Come down low a little bit, cameraman. so that they can see what I want. Cause I'm gonna drop the things them from the fire, you know. Yeah, I want them to see this piece of steak here, and you know, say it well seasoned. Cause cameraman, you know what I did with this one? Basically now, yeah, I blended up garlic, ginger, and thyme in the blender, innit? And then I had it marinated from yesterday. So you know, so and Scotch bonnet pepper as well. So you know, so the flavour in this one's gonna be mad, innit? Yeah, man. Come on. Come and catch that sizzling. Yeah. Look, can you see it shrinking up? As the fire touches the meat, it shrink up, shrivel. It's shriveled on. Shriveled on. That's how you know, say, when you go shop and you buy a piece of meat, you know, try and say that's not the piece of meat that you're going to get when that go in your plate. That's not the piece of meat you're getting, no? It's shriveled on. Yeah, man, 24-hour kitchen people, you know, say, we're there, man. Oh, my days. Yeah. So, it's a simple one today, people. Yeah, man, I'll show you, say, yeah, we're outside, and it's the next one. And we're grilling some beef, but it's a different type of beef. This one's a T-bone steak, people, yeah? Mad move. Look at that. So we've got some here now. So we're gonna make some wish, people, yeah? Alright. So we're gonna see it there. So we're gonna make a wish, everyone. So, getting a bit closer. You see that? You can see the blood starting to come out of the meat, said way. Yeah, man, it's a natural grill. Look at the bubble and the sizzling from the beef there. Let me try and get a little zoom in there for you, everyone, so that you can see what I want. See that? One, the meat a cook. Yeah, man, 24-hour kitchen cooking with Vingo Vision. It's a T-bone steak, everyone. Corn on the cob, you got good vibes. So it's a real country vibes, you know, because you feel like I got all the utensils because this is a cooking show. And yeah, Ringo should have this and that and that and that. No, it don't go so. Because here what it is, we record some episodes and we structure the episodes, but you see when you have a very good day, like a day like today, and you're like, nah, I'm not making this day miss me. Like, I'm cooking on a day like today. Furthermore, I'm gonna grill something on a day like today. That's why I go on today, so I ain't got no knife and fork. That's what I'm trying to get to. I'm trying to get to the point I don't have no knife and fork. But I always travel around with the knife that was provided by a subscriber, the subscriber that donated some money in their account. I always travel with my apron, seasoning, certain little utensils, you get me? But yeah, man, I'm gonna get a little knife and fork thing, that camping one that I travel with my bag as well, just in case for next time. Because but there, come and look at it. I'm gonna turn it over now, you know. Yeah, hands on. Look at this. If you come in, let me lift it up. People, I'm gonna turn it over so you can see the other side. I want you to see the other side, everyone. Have a look. Oh, whoa. Get on there. How you mean? Things are going. We're outside cooking. Yeah, man. Corner roast. So here we're going now, yeah? See, because we're really into the thing right now, we're gonna start strip up our corn. But you see the way we're gonna strip our corn? We're not gonna strip it and peel it off. You see that side there? Look at that. And you see that side there? That's what I'm saying to you. So really and truly, we could have steamed the corn and didn't even have to get no grill. But here we're going. We're just going to do this. Yeah, man. Cameraman, let me get a hold there, so I want to show them what I just saw. Yeah, everyone, look. This is what I just saw. Look. Oh, you see that? This is what I just saw. Coming like the corn is coming like it's a corn tree, you know, roasting with a piece of steak, underneath a shady tree. You see that, people? Yeah, man, we outside, man. 24-hour kitchen. There's a good vibes, everyone here, man. All right. So, one more thing everyone, yeah, the process of cooking the steak as well. So about 5 to 10 minutes on each side. It depends on how you like your meat, innit? You might like it well done, you might like it rare, you might like it medium rare. So if it's medium rare, you know, say a couple minutes on each side. But you can't have a thick piece of steak if you're gonna have a couple minutes on each side. It don't work like that, people, yeah? You need to have the right thickness, so it's not too thick, it's not too thin neither. And then you can have your medium rare or your rare. And then you can have your well done in that same size as well. You just leave it on there for a little bit longer. So this is the kind of thickness we're talking about. So some people would have been happy to just know that the other side just gets done on the same level, because you see, because cameraman's gonna consume this one here today. Cameraman, how you like your thing?
Well done still.
Well done?
Yeah.
Cameraman say like his thing well done. So here we go on, people, yeah? This one's gonna be a well done one, people, yeah? Alright, big up. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, everyone. I really need you to hit that notification button, yeah? And happy Sunday, everyone. Big up yourself. Yeah, man, outside. Day like today, and not even be like, bingo. You have to go to a shop quickly now, you have to go butchers now quickly, and you have to get your thing kicking, because everyone wants to see a day like today. Yeah, man, and we're outside on a day like today, people. Good vibes. Don't forget to order your seasonings, everyone. Yeah, man. You got people in the park, Sedway, sunbathing and whatnot. You see that? Yeah, man, there's a good vibes today, man. Yeah, man. 24-hour kitchen cooking with Vingo Vision. Yeah, see there? The picnic them out there, play Sedway people. Yeah, man, there's a good vibes, everyone. We're outside. And look here as well. Get in. It's moving. Roasting up one, you know. This thing I'm trying to show you as well, people, yeah, we're using the barbecue pit today, yeah, instant barbecue, people, yeah. I've been using them since like a long time, but since I started doing the cooking program last year, I've been using them like a lot more, everyone, yeah. As well as I've bought like my own portable grill that I can travel with, but today I didn't intend to go out and cook. But this is what I'm trying to say to you, people, like when there's such beautiful weather, this is the one that I use, people. We get the instant barbecue pit and it's easy to use, self-light. So I had to buy 2 of them today, people. So that's why I'm showing you, say, yeah, more things is gonna be going in today, people. Look at that. Yeah, man, it's a good vibes, you mean? Look at that, everyone. So we got a bit of well done steak here, mate. Yeah, man, served up. This one here, people, yeah, is corn and steak, yeah? What did I say? Corn and steak. That's right, people, yeah, corn and steak. So it's a good little bit of old corn and steak here, people. T-bone steak to be precise. Yeah, man, roast corn to be precise. Yeah, man, we're air, people. You don't think a joke. Look at that. Quick and fast, people. You see that? I'm telling you and I'm showing you, in real life, it's just so simple to just cook food. And don't be held back. Don't be thrown off. You can do it almost anywhere. Because in season 4, we're outside and you're gonna see us go in some amazing places. Differently from where we are today, you can smell, look at the sizzling right there. Cameraman says he likes it well done. Cameraman, how's it looking here? Because give me the approval of when you want it to be taken off.
Colour's looking good still.
Colour's looking good, yeah? A bit longer, yeah? Alright, in the middle piece over here, yeah? Alright. You see that, people? Look at the bone. You see that, the T-bone? You see that? A little bit of tea, but yeah, you get the drift. And that I go on, people. Yeah, man, 24-hour kitchen. Look at the smoke coming off of that. Yeah, nice. Look at the sky, beautiful sky. Yeah, man, beautiful sky, people. Good bit of meat there, everyone. Yeah, man. Nice bit of corn there roasting up. Today's the first proper even that pineapple steak there the other day, the mint steak, because that was a mint steak that I did the other day. It was like a burger, like a mint steak. But that pineapple steak, even that day, the weather weren't brilliant. But check out the pineapple steak. Yes, respect everyone. You don't know what time it is. It's a bad boy move, innit? Yeah, man. Who could have thought of to do a move and a flex like this? Yeah, man. Happy Sunday, everybody. I hope you enjoy this one. Let me come in and we can see this one. It's not a joke thing. Yeah, man. You see that? Corn and steak, everyone. I love a bit of corn and steak. We in London. Yeah? We Londoners love a bit of meat. You know what I mean? I'll see you next time, everyone, yeah? Bless up. Bad move. Yeah, man. Cameraman is gonna mash this up quickly. You think a joke? Yeah, man. You see that? And I'm gonna mash up a little piece as well, people. You don't know what time it is. 24-hour kitchen cooking with Ringo Vision. Yeah, man. We're there. We're outside. Things them done. Mad move. You think I joke? You mean? Yeah. Bless up, everyone. Outside. See that, the Riverside there. Yeah, man. Cooking by the river today. This is a good one. Respect. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, people, the park's got some nice scenery still. Me not tell no lie. Yeah, man, it's a good vibes, people. So it's got a nice little river. It's got the river over there, yeah, and it's got the pond in there as well. It's a good vibes, everyone. 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo Vision. Yeah, man. So it's a good vibe. So we're outside, you know. So I thought, let me just take a little walk and then, yeah, go back to the food in a second. You get me, people? Yeah, man, and see what I go on at the park. Yeah. Yeah, man, it's a good vibe. So we're there, we're outside, man. 24-hour kitchen, people. You know what time it is. Yeah, man, Ringo Vision. Yeah. You know, so I'm wearing the live t-shirt today, people. Yeah, exclusive one by Ringo Vision. My own design, people. Yeah, man, you know what time it is. Yeah, man, we're there. So that's the pond there. So we're going to take a little walk and see where I go on in the park and see what kind of things they got in there. We're outside. Good vibes. The river there. You see the river there, everyone? Yeah, man. That's the river there, that cooking down the other end there. Good vibes. Oh, so look, we've got a skate park here, everyone. So there are good vibes that people here doing tricks and stuff like that. Yeah, man, look. Yeah, man. Good vibes in the park here, everyone. So as you can see, skateboarders are out. Yeah, man, it's a good vibes, people. Music, everything are gone. Yeah, it's a good vibe. People them outside, and you know, say yeah, a good vibes are going outside, people. Yeah, man, skating and thing. Park, hot sunny day. London, UK, mad thing. Yes, people, the park was a good one. Yes, people, the park was a good one. So on my way out now. Respect and thanks, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, everybody. Yeah, man. 24-hour kitchen cooking with Ringo Vision. You know what time it is. Great tree. How big this tree is.